video, let's try to see performance analyzer. Okay, where this is located, inside view tab you have an option performance analyzer, else you can go for optimize tab and go for performance analyzer. Once you click on this, here you can see performance analyzer pane will be open. Again if you click on this, the pane will be gone. Okay, this is the basic functionality. Let's see. Already I have some of the visuals. Okay, this is my chord, this is my slicer, this is my column chart. Okay, for sales table I have all these visuals. Okay, now see what this performance analyzer will do. Here you can see this will help you to monitor your report to see the details about the time taken by each visual. Okay, to query particular data and render the result. Basically this is the performance analyzer is the tool that is available in Power BI desktop only. Okay, to record and analyze our visual performance. Okay, for example if you have any slow visuals, you can identify it from here with the help of performance analyzer. Okay, for example if I am click on stop recording, okay, the recording is started. Okay, here you can see recording started this particular time. Now you can try to use your report as your wish. For example, I am selecting particular slicer north and I am selecting south. Okay, and I am unselecting the select slicers and just selecting the particular customer ID and see the total sales. Okay, these are all the actions I performed for this particular report page. Now I stop this recording. What happened? What are all the actions I performed in the report page? Those actions will be recorded here. How many time taken for each actions, it's listed down. Here you can see change a slicer. This is the heading. Once you click on the plus icon, for each action you have three options. Okay, DAX query, visual display and other. What this DAX query will give you for this particular visual, 43 milliseconds it's taken. Okay, the duration. What this represent? It represent the calculation time. It means the measures time that's recorded in DAX query. Visual display means the rendering visual time recorded here. Other means like modeling and processing time, those will be taken in this other. For each action you can see this plus icon will give you the duration, split this up into three different parts. Okay, from this you can identify which is very slow. For example, for any particular thing, if DAX is high, okay, if DAX time is high, here you can see here other is high, let's assume somewhere DAX is high, let's see where, okay, assume any particular thing DAX is high. Okay, in that scenario what you need to do, you need to optimize the DAX query. Okay, I will upload a separate video for optimization techniques. Now you can see for DAX query, if it's high time you need to optimize the measures. Okay, DAX formulas and all. If visual display is high, what you can do, you need to optimize the rows, columns and heavy tables you need to avoid. Coming to other, if other is high, you need to fix the model, the relationship, cardinality, those part comes into other. Here you can see in my case other is high, then I need to, if I already it's working fine. For example, if I need to optimize or reduce the time, you can go for model view and reduce it. Okay, some relationship issues or cardinality you need to reduce. Okay, this is what the key features of the performance analyzer. Okay. What are all the best practice for this performance analyzer? Okay, let's see, this will help you to identify the slowest visual, right? So first you need to focus on which visual takes large time. It means which is the slow visual. You need to find that slow visual and apply the optimization techniques for that to improve your report. Okay. Instead of using for basically for example I am tell you some tips, like instead of using large tables and all, go for a charts. Okay, it's very easy to look it up and get the values also. Okay, instead of large tables use the charts. Okay, this is what the performance analyzer all about. This performance analyzer basically help you to identify slow visual by recording the performance of the DAX, other, and visual performance, all the things, the processing time, everything you can see each by each line and get this down. Okay. This is all about the performance analyzer, how to record and how to view the times and how to identify the slow visual, how to rectify this. Okay. To optimize, we have another video, performance optimization techniques. Okay. Look up this video for more information.